3 of our experts worked hard for 15 days to build this best cherry pitters after testing 10 cherry pitters in our lab. In addition, we read plenty of online reviews and customer feedback for these products.
Number 1.
Leifheit 37200 Cherry Pitter. This is at the top of our list, and for valid reasons, which you will soon agree to when you come to know about it. This pitter has a tabletop style, with a plunger that you simply need to press for the cherry to come out without the seed into anything that you want to collect it in. The seed goes into a container at the bottom of the pitter, so there is no mess, no splattered juices, and no need to clean your tabletop afterward.
Number 2.
OXO Good Grips Olive Pitter. OXO always makes innovative and quality products, and this time it has kept up its good reputation with this cherry pitter. The cherry pitter is a handheld type, so it is excellent for anyone who is looking for a compact pitter that is simple to use. The pitter can be operated using one hand, and all you have to do is to place a cherry in the position and press the pitter using your palm, supported by your fingers, and the seedless cherry will smoothly fall down.
Number 3.
Prepworks by Progressive Cherry Pitter. With an absolutely genius design, this cherry pitter from Progressive will be hard to compete against when it comes to working efficiency. This cherry pitter enables you to remove seeds from not only 1, but 6 cherries at a time. It has a countertop design, with a holder that can accommodate 6 cherries at a time.
Number 4.
Talisman Designs Cherry Chomper Cherry Pitter. This is a great cherry pitter if you want a quality family time during the weekends by letting your children take part in the cherry prepping session at home. This uniquely designed cherry pitter fulfills all of those requirements, making it a wonderfully fun tool to use for both adults and children. The way it works is that you place one cherry into the mouth of the pitter, and then lightly press down the head of the pitter, which is actually a plunger, and the cherry will become seedless, and the seeds and the juice will be collected at the bottom so as to not make the process messy.
Number 5.
Cherry Pitter Olive and Cherry Pitting Tool. This is a cherry pitter that is perfect for anyone looking for a tool that can be used not only at a home kitchen but also at professional settings. It does not contain any plastic parts and is made completely of chromium zinc alloy, which gives it a classy appearance, gleaming with a metallic luster. Hence, many users would feel comfortable using this. All they have to do is to place the cherry in position and to squeeze the ergonomically contoured handles gently.